First, now we will recapitulate the ionic compounds. What are ionic compounds? The molecules of an ionic compound are has two constituents, namely cations means positive ions and or basic radicals, and anions, that is negative ion or acidic radicals. मॉलिक्युल्स ऑफ आयोनिक कंपाऊंडमध्ये दोन कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट असतात, मेनली काय, कॅटायन्स अँड एनायन्स. एनायन्स हे निगेटिव्ह असतात आणि कॅटायन्स हे पॉझिटिव्ह असतात. कॅटायन्स हे बेसिक असतात आणि एनायन्स हे ॲसिडिक असतात. देअर इज द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन बिटवीन these ions as they are oppositely charged. That is called as a ionic bond. हे अपोजिट चार्ज असल्यामुळे त्यांच्यामध्ये फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन असतो आणि त्या फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शनला काय म्हटलं जातं, आयोनिक बॉन्ड. द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन बिटवीन वन पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज ऑन अ कॅटायन्स अँड वन नेगेटिव्ह चार्ज ऑन अ एनायन्स मेक वन आयोनिक बॉन्ड. एक पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज कॅटायन्सचा आणि एक नेगेटिव्ह चार्ज एनायन्सचा हे मिळून काय बनला जातो, वन आयोनिक बॉन्ड. While studying the electricity, we have learned that there is a natural tendency of any body to change from an electrical charge state into a electrical neutral state. इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्ज स्टेटमधनं तो इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रल स्टेटमध्ये जाऊ शकतो. न्यूट्रल स्टेट म्हणजे काय, ज्याच्यावरती काहीच चार्ज नाही, ना पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज ना नेगेटिव्ह चार्ज. Why then an electrical charge ion formed from an electrical balance, that is neutral atom? The explanation lies in the electronic configuration of atom. Let us see once again how the sodium and chlorine atoms form an Na plus and Cl minus, and as a result how the NaCl salt is formed. Let us see how the NaCl salt is formed. Here is the figure in which this is Na, that is sodium electron, and this is sodium element. So in this sodium element, what we are seeing, there are 2 electrons in first orbit, 8 are in second orbit, and 1 is left in third orbit. So that is in third orbit, you know that electrons are negatively charged. So one electron leaves the Na. So when one electron leaves the Na, so the Na becomes Na plus, that is C. 2 electrons in first orbit, 8 electrons in second orbit, and that one was remaining, that we have already, it is left. So Cl, there are 2 electrons in first orbit, 8 electrons in second orbit, and 7 electrons in third orbit. To complete its third orbit, it wants 1 electron. So from where it will get the 1 electron? It will get 1 electron from Na, that is sodium. So chlorine, that is Cl, will get its 1 electron from sodium, that is Na. So now it becomes 2 electrons in first orbit, 8 electrons in second orbit, and again 8 electrons in third orbit. So its third orbit is complete. So Cl's third orbit is complete. So it becomes Cl minus. Why? Because negative electron comes in its third orbit. So see, here is the complete diagram, that is Na, 1 electron goes to Cl. So it becomes in its third orbit, it is 8 electrons. So from here 1 electron is removed, it goes to the Cl. From Na, the electron which is removed, which goes to Cl, and Cl's orbit is complete. So it forms a NaCl salt which an ionic bond. So I think you must have understood this.